Hello guys and welcome back to another crypto update. So the bounce happened, okay, from the downward channel we've got on the weekly, okay. It is also the bounce from the 200 EMA weekly, and on the smaller time frames we can see that the 1 hour chart broke for the first time since we've going down from the 40k the EMA ribbon. Okay, I've been telling you that I will stop shorting the market when we break the 1 EMA ribbon. Of course, this also included the break of this broadening wedge, which I talked about yesterday. Although I was expecting a bounce from here, okay, a retest like a double bottom and breaking up, but it's well received also this bounce, because now we can look for some bullish trades. Of course, we still have to break the weekly, the weekly white channel to be bullish on the long term, but at least for now we can look for some positive bullish trades. So what we have to see right now? Right now, to go long, of course we can't go long blindly. To go long, I'm waiting a retest of this green channel, which held us previously like this, resistance twice and support 3 times. So we know, even 4 if you count this one. So we know that it's a strong resistance and support area. Also, I want this candle to bounce from the EMA ribbon. So while the EMA ribbon was holding us down, now I want to trade longs on the 1 EMA ribbon. If it keeps holding the price until maybe 32 to 34 area, I will continue long it on the 1 hour chart. Also, if we remove the EMA ribbon and remove this broadening wedge, we can clearly see that we have another bullish formation here on the 1 hour chart, which is the inverse head and shoulder, which is technically a bullish pattern, and usually it is found at the bottom of a trend. It is a reversal trend, so its target would be around 33, let me check, 33,700. Okay, so when we pull back and bounce back up, we can trade along, targeting this area maybe. Okay, so that's a quick update for the day. Happy trading and have a good day.